All right. It is estimated that an investment in a new process will cause the following cash flow in dollars. All right. So here we have our end years. Okay. Year zero is the beginning of year one. All right. So we're going to invest $600. Okay. Then at the end of year one, our expected cash flow is $100. At the end of year two, expected cash flow is $150. The end of year three, expected cash flow is $200. All right. So the firm wishes to earn at least 15% per annum on the projects of this type. Calculate the net present value. Right. So to calculate the net present value, we are going to be converting these future values, which we are forecasting. Right. We're going to convert these future values into present values. Okay, to see if this project is worthwhile. If our net present value is greater than zero, we accept. If it's less than zero, we reject. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a table. All right. Here we want to put our year. Say cash flow. Right. And our discount factor. All right. Our discount factor, because to convert future values into present values, that is called discounting. So we're going to use this 15% as our discount factor. Okay. So discount factor at 15%. All right. Then we have our present values here. All right. So we're going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. So in year zero, we are investing. So this 600 will be negative because it represents a cash outflow. All right. We're investing $600. So it will be negative. Okay. Then year one, we have 100. We expect to receive $100 at the end of year one. End of year two, 150. At the end of year three, 200. End of year four, 200. End of year five, 200. End of year six, 200. All right. So our discount factors here, to get our discount factors, all right. If you remember the formula for the present value, it's present value equals future value times 1 plus r power negative t. Okay. So our discount rate is 15%. All right. So we'll say that r equals 15%, which is also the same as 0.15. We just divide. Oh, can you please mute your mic? Would you mute your mic? So our 15%, we divide it by 100, we get 0.15. Whose mic is on? Okay. 15% we divide it by 100, we get 0.15. So in our formula, it's going to become 1 plus 0.15 to the power negative t, right? So let's see what I mean here. So for year 0, which is the first day of year 1, right, we're going to say 1 plus 0.15 to the power negative 0, all right? And anything that is to the power 0 equals 1. So this just equals 1, okay? That's just equals 1. So we say negative 600 times 1, right? Negative 600 times 1, we get negative 600, right? Going to go to the end of year 1, say 1 plus 0.15, right, to the power negative 1, all right? So 1 plus 0.15, that's 1.15, 1.15, 1.1, oh yeah, 1.15. Yes, so 1.15 to the power negative 1, go to our calculators. That will give us 0.869. Okay, 1.15 to the power negative 1 is 0.869. So we're going to say 0.869 times 100, okay, as the formula is stating here. So 100 times 0.869, we are going to get 86.9. All right, go to year 2, we're going to say 1.15 to the power negative 2. All right, to the power negative 2, get our calculators. And we're going to get 0.756, right? So this is the part where I say that you can also use the tables, all right? You just go to the discount factor at 15%, and it will give you all these values here, okay? It will give you all the values, all right? Next, we're going to get 1.15 to the power negative 3. Okay, to the power negative 3, we're going to get 0.657, and we're going to say 200. Oh wait, I never did this one here. 150 times 0.756. So I'll need someone with a calculator. Okay, we have to be counter checking figures here. All right. So also get your calculators to counter check. So it's a 150 times 0.756. We're going to get 113.4. Okay. 200 times 0.657. Okay. 200 times 0.657, we get 131.4. Right? And we'll go next to 1.15 to the power negative 4. Right? Okay, get your calculators to confirm. We get 0.5718. We'll round it off to 572. Okay, and then we're going to say 200 times 0.572. All right, I'm going to get 114.4. All right, then I'm going to say again 1.15 to the power negative 5. Right, 1.15 to the power negative Okay, we get 0.4497 equals 0.497. Okay, so say 200 times 0.497, we get 99.4. All right, and then finally 1.15 to the power -6. Right, we get 0.432, 0.432. Okay, so 200 times 0.432, we get 86.4. 86.4. Now what we're going to do is we're going to total up our present values, right, so that we can get our NPV, which is our net present value. So say net present value. Okay. So we're going to say, get your calculators ready. -600 plus 86.9 plus 113.4 plus 131.4 plus 114.4 plus 99.4 plus 86.4, and we get 1,231.9. Right, we get 1,231.9. Are we also getting these values? Counter check with your calculators. Counter check. Right, so since the net present value greater than 0, because it's positive, we accept. Right? We accept. Hmm? You have also got 1231.9. 1231.9. Okay, okay. All right. So since our net present value is greater than 0, we accept.